CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Uminti ka trat puli puthi ka sarkar jilau ba lakmen rambui. Lekin tu ke samla puli ban plek jumut hake jung puli na benda ki kam ki baki kwa bat ki mon ka mensim ban tre khanang bakin sngotenat ka kam bat kin la bano asin yang syake emlang salang ya kene ubala ka men remboy lakran ku bukang san hake jing Sdang jonga Jingrakhe lingko dap apusan Snem ni silver jubilee jonga Jowai Polytechnic ka wen ki shlam ajngi kai hake line diploma ka blaseng house Snem arajar iwe tangda arpunyongut ki samla puli. Hagen ke jing Sdang jonga Jingrakhe ladon lang umintri ka tunat ka kya ka sarkar jilla but emily ka than ba wailat miki shilla u deputy commissioner West Jainti Hills District Abhinav Kumar Singh IES Lieutenant of Police West Jainti Hills District Chokpal Singh Dhanwa IPS ki officer sarkar ki nohikai ki samla puli ki alumni nalogi blasha khot ngau bha hagen ga sngi ubala kamen romboy lapen bana bahapot lai benai on pin bahano ya ka laboratory kat bai ki weg jiran kam jonga Jowai Polytechnic ulong bu unikran baru officer jong u hagen ga sngi ki arngot ki menteri klap liru ya ka academic building annex jonga Jowai Polytechnic but boat ruyu mau nongrim pante ke madan synthetic futsal but ke basketball court ke belamang ar klur ar penyolak lalu prahajar cispa tengka
We have seen the tremendous change, tremendous improvement in the education and also in the technical field. Thank you so much, sir. Every time when I approach you for anything, you never say no. You always supported, always encourages us. But we all know and we do understand. Education department and health department is a very vast department. It's not easy to do everything as expected in a short span of time. But I'm so happy to have our chief guest as our education minister, because we all have witnessed, and I think if not because of him, there were many issues or many decisions would have been pending till today. Just for instance, the finalization or now we have the structure pay for all our assistant teacher, where in the past we have seen street of Shillong were filled by the protests of this different association under the assistant teacher. So I think our chief guest deserve a round of applause, a big round of applause.
Seen in the video clip which the student have present, the institute have present us. It is quite a journey, and a journey which really contribute to the society. And we have seen today, when we arrive here, when we see the creativity of the student, when we see the work ethic, the joyful environment of this institute, it really make me that yes, this is the institute and the institute should be like this. Main thing is our mindset. The mindset. You come here, automobile, costume designing, and so many courses here. You know that there is a limited scope in the government sector, but still you are coming. That's why, from that itself, it shows that you are prepared to challenge the world with the skills which you have. So our mindset, we should prepare to be very dynamic and change our course for the better. And the most important thing that what the government is doing is that, as I said, we are trying to keep love. And we know there is so many deficiencies which in many common institutions that there is deficiencies. But that deficiencies will not hamper our vision to give the bst to the citizen of the state. Every conversation with Chimisario Museum, every conversation we need this and that improvement. See, there are so many leaders. There are so many leaders who are in a position to do, but there are only few leaders who can convert what the people need into what they have. I'm very happy that as education minister, he has taken more than half of my burden. Otherwise, student every year for last more than per multiple year they want to improve this playground, but we cannot do even to pay salary of some teachers. Sometime many of time before contract kesama we could not do. But now, not only Kiang Nongba Garam College, not only stadium, not only those futsal here, not only basketball here, but I wonder who will use that, because so many of them. Now he has a plan even to convert the Jerusalem playground, the government boys higher secondary school playground, into some new one he will do at the appropriate time. So sometime, so when I came that day when he told that in I told myself, it's very good, you are very happy, the students are very happy, and they will be very happy. We are grateful. We are working together. We will work together for the benefit of the people, for the benefit of the people. My dear student, we have seen that whatever requirement which you need. For the other thing, I have to discuss with my officer at what stage of the recruitment, how many sanction posts are here, because as I have seen, there are some core subjects which you demand that I have to see. Because as I said, I cannot commit more than what I have to do. So, but the most important thing is that you come here, you have told us that this institute not only giving you skills, but it gives you confidence. I'm sure that with that confidence that you will go out, you can pursue your dream. And whatever dream you have, you will be successful. But that dream, it should be with responsibility. With responsibility. And the last point, which I want to say is that Don't think that I am doing this small job or this job. Everything you do, there is a dignity in it. We have to inculcate the dignity in labor. It is not that the sweeper on the road, it is inferior to the minister. If they don't sweep the road, who will take care of that? We should inculcate. And last week, some leaders speak in Jowai that, all the people who got work in Marriott and all, they are all for cleaning of toilet. See, don't degrade the dignity of labor. We are very fortunate in Jowai. Very fortunate. Since the town committee days, there are only 2 or 3 non-tribal who are working to clean Jowai. Otherwise, we will have the problem of karmator. Remember that. Why in Shillong those days? Because nobody are willing to clean toilet. Karmator come. And now who will remove karmator? So we are very lucky at least in Giant Hills, the dignity of labor. So we didn't count that those who are sweep the road is inferior, those who are selling kwai is inferior. We treat everybody, or Giant people are equal. And we should treat everybody equal. The sense of we should give dignity to everything we do. And once we give a dignity to that, we will become successful. Let's work together. The government is there for you. We will do together. I'm very happy, I said, with local Amle here, the minister who is the man in hurry. And as I said, don't be hurry. Let us wait for after 28 or so. He will be there. What is the harm of waiting for some time? I wish a good, successful golden silver jubilee. More importantly, you will be a successful person in the years to come. And I wish that in the golden jubilee of this institute, you will all speak as those alumni who speak in that testimonial that I am somebody because of Jowai Polytechnic. I am somebody because of Jowai Polytechnic. God bless you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Snem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Stem's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is Stem's, our ride, our future.